Good morning, everybody. I'm Elizabeth Baker, and I am your instructor for English 112-09. I'm excited to welcome you to the spring 2020 semester, and we're just going to do a quick run through of the course, what it looks like, how to access everything, and then you guys are free to email me with any questions that you might have. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the course. This is our announcements page. I hope you had a wonderful first day of class yesterday and that your week is going well. So I hope that you, like Rebel Wilson, crushed it. This is where you'll see announcements every single Monday. So I will post a Monday message at the beginning of each week. So next Monday, you should see a Monday message for week 2, and then we'll do that every single week from here on out. So you can take a look here, and it'll kind of give you an outline for what we are doing each week. And give you an overview until you get to the weekly assignments portion. So the next thing we're going to do is come over here to the syllabus section. So everything you need is going to be on this left-hand toolbar. So if you have not already read the syllabus, you'll see it right here. You should be able to download that and read that in great detail. It will go over our grading, the projects that you have to do. We'll be working on an annotated bibliography, a rhetorical analysis, a research proposal, and it will explain how all of those grades are broken down. Right here is your student acknowledgement form. I've only had one person email me the form. You do not have to email me this form. You can come right here to mark reviewed, and that tells me that you have read and acknowledged the syllabus. If there's anything that you need for me to know about you, if you have any concerns about the class or anything special that I need to know, then you're welcome to complete that form and email it to me if it has extra information on it. Also on this page, you'll see our general policies, anything else that you might need to know about JCC, and this is all standard for your online courses. Information about me is right here under my instructor. Your required textbooks are here. You will need the Norton Field Guide to Writing with Readings and the Little Seagull Handbook. And I will tell you that there is reading pretty early on, so if you do not have the textbook, please make sure you get that ASAP. The enrollment verification quiz is located here. You are required to complete that before you can even start week 1 activities. So make sure you do that. That just tells us that you have entered the course. This is important for financial aid purposes and for collecting attendance records. Course navigation guide, you can look at that on your own. That's more of a how to be successful in the course. There are some discussion board regulations in that as well. But I really want to get to weekly assignments. So under weekly assignments, at first you're just going to see weeks 4 and so on. And that's because you will not be able to see weeks 1 through 3 until you complete the enrollment verification quiz. So we are going to come back to this a little later on because you have to complete, of course, that enrollment verification quiz. If you've already done that and you've looked at week 1, then you will see what tasks you have to complete this week. Our discussion board is here. And you can see already that we have several discussion boards for the semester. Introductions are right here, and I'll post a little bit about our introduction discussion board in a little bit for that thread. Research logs are here, and when you click on research logs, you will see that your name is not there yet because we have until Friday to get acclimated to the course, and you'll be able to see your name under here correctly on Friday. So hang tight for that. Down here we have resources, sample papers, etc. So you just want to make sure that you read through those, check through all of that. But essentially this is just our intro to the course. So again, the announcements is always going to be, that's going to be your home page. And I'm excited to have you in the course. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll do videos periodically. Some of my Monday morning announcements might be videos showing you something or pointing out a really cool resource that you can use for some of your papers. So, quick note, my office is in Smith G111, so if you are taking classes on campus and you want to stop by and say hello, I'd be more than happy to have you. You can reach me by phone. My number is 919-209-2175, and then of course email is the fastest and best way to reach me, and all of that information is on the syllabus as well as under the My Instructor tab. So again, I'm super pumped to have you here. It's nice to see everyone, and I will see you online. Have a great week.